Hey YouTubers, my subscribers. As you can tell by looking around, I'm back in Alaska. And I'm into my third week of a long expedition. This time all the way around the end of South Prince of Wales Island. And I brought lots of good video cameras with me this time. I've shot tons of footage. Amazing things. Bears, eagles, otters, whales, all the fish, all the camping experiences. Put it all together in a nice video series. I'm going to call it Alaska Alone. And I hope you'll enjoy it. I hope you'll subscribe, and I hope you'll follow me. Thanks for watching.